Hi, my name is Carrie and I'm excited to help you transform your brows from this to this using the Brow Bar by Reema Brow Makeover Kit. I'm going to show you guys how to take full advantage of this kit by utilizing all the products that come in it, which includes 2 brow powders, a concealer for brightening and sculpting your brows, a brow mascara gel, and a brush that has a flat and angled brush end. Everything that I share with you guys today is my brow routine, but go ahead and utilize these things, try them out, and sculpt them to make them your own. And don't forget to use code CARRIE35 to get 35% off your Brow Bar by Reema products. If you have been waiting and wanting to get the perfect brows but just didn't know how or where to start, this video is for you. I'm excited to get into it. Let's do it. Let's start with our angled brush and the lighter of the 2 brow powder shades. I start at the front end of my brow. I'm going to do little strokes upward. Using the light brown powder, I'm focusing the color toward the front end of the brow. I'm starting to give it some shape. So I'm deciding where I want the bottom of the brow to be. I like to add a little bit more brow under here. I don't have a lot of product left on my brow, but I'm gonna start fading the color upward. So I'm taking the product that was already on here and lightly bringing it forward. And that's gonna give you a nice fade effect, so it's not as heavy. And don't forget, we are going to clean up the brows, so if it does get a little crazy, that's okay. Now I'm taking the darker of the 2 shades of the brow powder and I'm going to fill out the rest of the brow here. I'm working more on the tail end of the brow. So right now you can see we've built the brow powder and started defining, but we do need to go in further and clean it up. So the next step is concealer. We're taking this flat end of the brush. This is the end that I use for concealer. I'm loading up some product on my brush, and then I start at the front of my brow and I'm gonna work my way across. I like to clean up the top of my brow, especially when I have some powder that I have on my skin that I don't want there. I very lightly go across the top. I don't do as much of a defined line. You can see the difference that made cleaning up with the concealer before when we didn't have it. Lastly, this is my favorite part. I have my brow mascara. This is gonna hold our brows in place and define the brow hairs a little bit more. It's okay if you get some on your skin, there will be color. You can go ahead and take your concealer brush that you were just using to pick up that product and clean it back up. Using the Brow Makeover Kit makes it super easy to have a clear routine of what you do with your brows every day. Powder, concealer, brow mascara. Super simple, and it only takes a couple minutes. The more practice you do, the easier it's gonna get. So if you do feel a little bit lost with your brows, I would say try it out. It's a great method. I'm gonna go get my other brow done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and that you learned some new steps that you could take for doing your brows. And if you've never done them before, I hope you get the courage to go ahead and try them out. The Brow Makeover Kit is the perfect tool to start out on your brow journey. And don't forget to use code CARRIE35 to get 35% off your Brow Bar by Reema products. You can use this code on any of their products and have fun shopping. Have a lovely day.